So you think you need a new laptop, software, and microphone to create content? Well, not if you have a smartphone. You can record a presentation, yourself, and anything within your view with your phone. I found a couple of videos that Clara Riedlinger from RIT created. She did a great job explaining the details of how to create good course recordings with your smartphone. She emphasized ideas that should be emphasized, such as be yourself, set a positive tone, and think of video as a way to build rapport with learners. My absolute favorite thing she mentioned was keep things short, aim for 6 minutes, and try to cover one concept per video. While this might seem unnatural if you are used to giving a long lecture, you will find that this approach is a great fit in the online environment. Use books or a phone tripod to get your phone to eye level. Pick a well-lit spot. Diffuse light is what you are after, so don't sit or stand in a shadow. See that there is enough light on your face. Another thing Clara mentioned is that people have a higher tolerance for low-quality video than they do for low-quality audio. Pay attention to whether or not there is ambient noise, like air conditioning or traffic. And if there is, find a different place or a different time to record. Another point Clara made that I didn't realize was use your back-facing camera on your phone. It will record better quality. Practice, 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 and try to relax, knowing that you can do multiple takes. After you stop recording, you need to move the file from your phone to a cloud storage service. Like Clara, I like Google Drive. Upload from your phone to the cloud and then log into your laptop and download the file to your local drive. The file type will likely be an MP4 or MOV, which you can edit if you need to. From there, you can upload it straight to YouTube or your campus streaming server. Use your phone to screen record. I'm using my iPhone to record a presentation that I have ready to go in Google Slides. The same can be done using an Android, but steps may vary. First of all, you want to have your screen recording controls right at your fingertips. In order to do that, go to Settings and click Control Center. There's a list under More Controls, so look down that list until you see Screen Recording. And when you do, click the plus sign. After you click the plus sign, screen recording will move up into your quick access area. To begin, I swiped up, pressed the screen record button, and saw a countdown begin. Then I swiped down to get my control center off the screen, and I opened my presentation. So you can see the title page, Open Educational Resources. Talk your way through your presentation, and when you are done, look for the red bar at the top and touch it. When you do, you will see a pop-up asking you if you would like to stop recording. Press Stop. Your recording will be saved to Photos. Upload it to your cloud service of choice, then download it, trim as needed, and then it's ready to upload to a media streaming server.